Are you having fun? Look at you jumping. Yeah. Jump, jump,
bouncy
jump.
Bounce.
Woo!
Yes.
Yes, you kind of finally figured out how to do that thing, didn't you? Mm-hmm. Woohoo! Yes. Oh. Yeah, isn't that fun? You're going to have so much fun when you can run and jump all by yourself. I just want to go more. Ooh.
Oh, are you turning your back on us?
I don't need you to see you guys jump. Jump all on my own. Hey. What are you doing? Yes.
You like
That's
it?
fun, isn't it?
Say thank you, Auntie Christy.
It's lots of fun.
From Auntie Christy and Uncle Tyson Hall.